Hi, hello friends. So today I bought these locks for my bicycle. So and I bought it mm, €4. So let's see it's working well or not. I think it will work. It looks good. 150 centimeter length. Okay, that's good. Between company, I think this one. 1 by 10, I don't know what is that. 59 inch. 1830 to 2018 set. I think it's in fabricated in on July 2018. Okay, let's open this. There are two keys. That's good. And this is made in China. HO in China. Fabrique in China. So different. It is written in different languages. So if you know those languages, you can read it. Okay. Most of the things are written in Chinese language. Lock 100 key. Bike lock 100 key. Pack reference. Importado para o Brasil. Yeah, I bought from Decathlon. Yeah, it is written there. So this company has imported it from China. Okay. Wow. This is the way to put locks on bikes in bicycle. Quite interesting. You see? So you see here. Every part is locked. In this way, it is locked in such a way that every part is locked under lock. Now this one. Yeah, this is the same. You see? So we have to learn this also, how to do lock. So that every part is locked. Okay, this is a good thing. Mm. Okay, so this is good, it looks good. So tomorrow I'm going to use it. Let's see. Okay, so enjoy this. If you're looking one bike lock, then you can choose this one. There are so many, but I think this €4 is cheap, and I hope the lock quality is good, so it will work good. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.